Tired of losing track of important emails in Salesforce? Here is exactly how to log them in 60 seconds. We will start from the login page, then walk through each click to get your email logged. No fluff. First, open your browser and go to salesforce.com. This is your starting point every single time. It is the main gateway to your dashboard. Then, click the Login button. It is usually in the top right corner. Look for it. It stands out clearly. Next, choose the Salesforce Login option. Do not get distracted by any other buttons on this page. You want the one that says Salesforce Login. Now, select Login with Email. This is the most straightforward way in. It keeps things simple. Type in your email address, double-check it. One wrong character and you will get an error. No fun. Then, enter your password. Take your time here. Make sure caps lock is off. You would be surprised how often that trips people up. Finally, click Login to access Salesforce. Give it a moment to load. The system is verifying your credentials. Once logged in, find the email logging feature. This is where the magic happens. I have tested this process dozens of times, and it always comes down to knowing exactly where to click. Look for the email-related options in your navigation bar. It might be under a drop-down menu or a specific tab, depending on your Salesforce setup. Now, choose the email you want to log. This is the heart of the process. You are saving a record of an important conversation. Click on the email thread or message you need to preserve. Finally, confirm the details and save the log. And here is the really important part. Double-check the contact, the account, and the date. One quick glance ensures everything is accurate. Then hit that save button. And that is it. You have gone from hunting around for the right steps to confidently logging an email in under a minute. No more lost messages, no more wasted time. Now you can keep your records clean and your workflow smooth.